Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix find my iPhone or share my location on iPhone not working. So how you can fix that. For example, if you want to fix your iPhone location or find my iPhone and you're not having a proper solution, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether that iPhone find my iPhone or share my location option is enabled or not. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on your name or Apple ID, and after that you can simply find my iPhone. So here you have to make sure that it is turned on. So you have to make sure that that send last location option is enabled, which means before power on power off, your iPhone will share your last location. So in this way you can simply find my iPhone if it is lost. So first of all, you have to make sure that your iPhone is turned on, and you have to simply make sure that you have a proper SIM card inserted in your iPhone. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check your iPhone is connected to proper data connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go for reboot your iPhone. For this, you have to simply press and hold your iPhone, and you have to click on power off iPhone, turn off iPhone, and you have to restart it again. So, and after that, what you have to do, you have to again click on setting, and you have to click on Apple ID, and you can simply click on find my iPhone. You can simply go for find my iPhone. You have to make sure that it is working properly. And after that, what you have to do, the next thing you have to check is you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general, and you have to scroll it down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. After resetting your network setting, you have to make sure that your problem has been solved. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for the reset of your all settings. So after that, you can simply set your find my iPhone or share my location again, so that it can work properly. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.